Hello everyone, I'm Eddie here at the Tama County Library Retro Tech Lab, and we are going to have floppy disk conversion very soon. So what better way than, well, we found a Commodore. This is the Commodore 1541. Now we're hoping to be able to convert all types of floppy disk, but right now this is what the Commodore takes, and we're hoping to get that very soon. But let's just take this apart a little bit and clean it up and kind of restore it a little bit. So luckily I already took the screws out to open it up much more easy. But there is a look inside. I think this is pretty clean, at least the inside is.
That's the joy when you have retro tech. Things go everywhere.
But there's not much that needs to be cleaned inside. Just put that back. To clean the Commodore, we use, this is isopropyl alcohol, multi-purpose air duster, and a disinfectant wipe. And I'm just gonna basically just take some of that and just kind of clean this up a little bit. We're just gonna restore this a little bit to make it super clean. I don't even kind of tell on camera, but yeah, it's definitely needing a little cleaning up. There's a lot of dust on this unit. Yeah, that's really dirty. And the final step is just to clean it with a disinfectant wipe. And it will be all cleaned. And now it is nicely cleaned. I should also show how the floppy disk goes. They go in right in the front. And if this was on, you would see a little light there, and that's how it reads it. But yeah, we're very excited to be offering floppy disk conversion in the very near future. And come in and check out our Retro Tech Lab.